Thank you so much, Mr. From the one and only Julia Montes, Abalaga po sa Saving Grace.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations once again. Well, one quick photo up with Miss Julia. Saving Grace for a quick photo op here.
Whole cast and production of Saving Grace. And now we are going through a photo opportunity with all the cast. Miss Kylie, Sir Ronald, Head of Proximate, Miss Pia Morel, Head of International Distribution, and Tita Cory Vidales. We also have our two directors, Direct FM Reyes and Direct Dolly. Mga kapamilya all over the world, this is the 11th version of Nippon TV's Mother, only here in the Philippines. 10th.
Sir Rodel, Miss Kylie, welcome here. Thank you so much to the cast of Saving Grace and our wonderful executives and directors.